So a new function in Excel 2021 is the XMatch function. So you can use this to return the position of a value within an array. So what I mean by that is, let's just take a look at a quick sample. So I want to find this value. I want to find it in this column. That would be the array. Now I could choose just a list. I could just choose these numbers here, but we're going to go with the entire column. That's the way I see it being used most. Then I'm going to do comma. It gives you different options here. You can do exact match. You can do different things. I want to go for the exact match, and I want to do first to last. So this is nice because you can do first to last. You can sort it and do the search that way. But we're just going to do a first to last, and then that will give you the position. So this is the second position down in the array that I selected. So if I was to copy this down, you can see this data 93, 380, 177 is just copied over here. So this is giving me the actual position, the actual row that this exists within that array, or within, in this example, that column.